It's big boy style now. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the made for Google Whitestone Dome glass. Now I know this doesn't have it on the packaging yet, but this is a certified made for Google Pixel product. It was certified by Google themselves. So Whitestone Dome screen protectors are an official certified made for Google Pixel product. So without further ado, this is the Whitestone Dome premium glass screen protector for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now let's see what we get inside the package. Now we get 3 adhesives. You get the installation tray, all the necessary items needed for you to prep and install your tempered glass screen protector. You have the camera protector as well. This is a film screen protector, I believe, for your camera in the back, which is crazy that they added this. I didn't even know this came in here. You get the installation guide, more of the products, the UV, the adhesive, and the tape needed to cover all your ports, and the 2 tempered glass screen protectors. This is a 2-pack, so you are going to get 2. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and set this up and we'll get started with the installation. One more last thing, for those, if you ever bought a tempered glass screen protector from Whitestone Dome, you got that flimsy cardboard box, but now they give you a nice storable box, so you do get 2, so you are going to have to store this back, and they're making it very easy for you to store this back any place, same packaging. So absolutely love that they did that. All right, we're back, and this is everything you're going to need for the installation. So you have your installation tray with the 2 absorbing pads already inserted in the tray itself. You have to do this portion yourself. We do have the bridge, the sliding tool, this is part of the sliding tool as well, a cleaning wipe, dust absorbing sticker, and a microfiber cloth. I just went ahead and lay a cloth underneath to prevent it from slipping on my desk. I recommend you do that yourself as well. And obviously you have the screen protector itself, and before doing that I went ahead and took the liberty to tape all the ports on the Pixel 7 Pro, so to prevent any adhesive from entering any of these ports. So the stickers are provided for you as well. You just got to go ahead and put them on your device. So the next step is we're just going to go ahead and place the Pixel 7 Pro in the tray itself, and you're going to hear a solid click. Now while it's on the tray, we want to go ahead and clean the display of any debris, any oils or anything like that. So make sure you get your cleaning cloth and clean it. Now we're going to get our microfiber cloth and dry it up dry the screen up as much as possible, nice and clean. Now you want to get your dust absorbing sticker here, and you want to make sure there's no lint or anything of sort on the screen protector, because I will be devastated. My OCD will kick in and I would have to redo it again, and I hate if I would get any dust or anything of some sort. And right before we do that, we get the last port here, and this is going to cover the actual speaker right above the screen there. So what you want to do is kind of solidly place that in there, and then you can go ahead and put this portion of it right there, bam. And you want to probably hit it one more time with the dust removal sticker here. Make sure you didn't get any dust while you were doing that. Next, you want to get the bridge and put it on top of the tray. You want to get your adhesive and then remove the pink cap from the adhesive. Then you want to go ahead and press this right there. You can screw it on or just press it in, it don't matter. So next step is you probably want to get this enter the pull tab there, and the next step is relatively simple. You probably just going to twist the back of the adhesive and release the glue onto the display, as you can see, and let it fully drop. You want to get all that adhesive in there so you have enough for it to spread across the display there. Give it a little tap if you have to, or a little squeeze. Now all that, after that, you want to remove it. And you probably don't want to do that because that's going to create bubbles, which I hope it's not. The next step is you're going to get your screen protector here. You're going to remove the back portion of it. You're going to lay the screen protector on top like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tilt the tray towards the bottom of the Pixel 7 Pro. The adhesive is going to move and align, and right when it gets to these arrows here, this is when you're going to pull the tab, and then you let the adhesive start to spread evenly. So we're going to go like this, and right when it gets right about there, bam, release, and it's going to start to spread throughout the whole display. Now be very patient. Sometimes it goes fast and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but let it spread throughout and then let it sit there for a while. Once you see it kind of fully reach its destination and stuff, just let it relax. And this is the time when you can go ahead and start prepping your UV light. Now what you're going to do is set up your UV light. Just plug it into Type-C power cable. Now you're going to do 15 seconds. I was having difficulties there. So you're going to press it once and do 15 seconds. You're going to do 15 seconds in the middle, 15 seconds on the top. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the phone from its tray here. Just press down and kind of gently remove it straight up like that. Bam. Now at this point you want to take your microfiber cloth and clean any of excessive adhesive around the edges. Now we're going to press twice on the UV light and wait 60 seconds. Move it to the middle, press twice again and wait another 60 seconds. Move it to the top and remove and wait 60 seconds as well. Okay, and we're done with the installation. The next step is all we got to do is remove these stickers from each side to review the ports, and then I'll come back and give you an overall overview of how well the screen protector works and the touch sensitivity on the display itself. All right, we're back with this beautiful installation. It's nearly freaking perfect. I absolutely love it when I get a good installation. Now real quick, does the fingerprint reader work? And it absolutely works just fine. Look at that. No issues with the fingerprint reader. Now I didn't re-register my fingerprint, but it is recommended to do that. And if you're having issues with the screen protector not reading your fingerprint, go ahead into the display settings. If you go to settings here and then you go to display, you can go ahead and increase the sensitivity of the display here, screen protector mode, and it increases the touch sensitivity just in case you're having issues with the tempered glass screen protector itself. I'm currently not having any issues. The touch sensitivity is good. It's very responsive, nice. One other thing is this tempered glass screen protector is case friendly. It's going to work with multiple cases here, so no issues with it being in the case and interfering with the screen protector. Hashtag Team Pixel, let's go baby. So it absolutely works fine with cases. The screen is absolutely premium. And last but not least, that screen protector that they gave you for the screen glass, I believe it is for the metal portion of the camera bar to keep it from getting scratched up and stuff, and I absolutely love it. It's a little easy to install. It's not too bad. If you're used to installing those easy dual film screen protectors from Rinky, is absolutely the same way. But there you have it. It's just going to protect that chrome camera bar from your Pixel 7 Pro. And now it is officially certified by Google. This is officially a made for Google Pixel product. I am super stoked about that. Why Still Dome screen protector, link will be in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, we have a gentleman agreement here. If you watch this video and want to support me in the channel, it doesn't cost you anything to support me. Just simply hit the like and subscribe, and all my content is free to you. Please do that. It's just a gentleman's agreement. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.